LIFE-GREENAPI, it is an ambitious project within the Angelini's Pharma transition strategy. This 3-year initiative, in collaboration with the University of Leiden, aims to propose a technological shift in active pharmaceutical ingredients production to promote a greener manufacturing practice. More specifically, through this project, we are demonstrating that it's possible to produce APIs in a more greener manner, integrating two different technologies, flow and batch chemistry. This was achieved by developing this integration from laboratory to industrial scale and verifying, with the help of Leiden University, the appropriate environmental KPIs at each stage of development. Through projects like this, we fully incorporate environmental and climate sustainability into our production processes to integrate aspects of green chemistry and green engineering. The project, essentially, takes place in two locations. One is the Angelini Pharma fine chemical plants, and the other is the Leiden University. LIFE-GREENAPI is supported by the LIFE program of the European Union.